subscribe our channel, press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss any update from Healthy Natural Way. Your liver breaks down the toxins that you encounter, consume, and produce. Unfortunately, in today's society, we are inundated with toxic chemical substances in the air, water, and even in our food. The liver cleans and purifies the blood, removing all toxins and waste products. When your liver is overburdened, it doesn't do that as effectively as it could, which leaves you feeling bloated and tired. Cleansing and detoxifying our overworked and overburdened liver is vital for the recovery of our organs and allows us to live a life free from chronic disease. Cleanse your liver with raisin water in only 2 days. Raisin water stimulates particular biochemical processes in the liver that help it detox your bloodstream more effectively. It's important to find raisins that have not been treated with sulfur dioxide. Look at your local health food store or your local farmer's market. Use black or red grapes, not seedless green grapes. Ingredients: 2 cups of water, 400 milliliters. 150 grams of raisins. Preparation: place the raisins in jar or cup and cover them with the boiled water. Allow to sit for 24 hours. The next morning, just strain off the water from the raisins. Drink it on an empty stomach right after waking up. Then wait 30 to 35 minutes before eating breakfast. Ideally, you'll do this for several days in a row, and at night leave everything prepared to drink your raisin water the minute you wake up the next morning. Raisin water promotes the segregation of stomach acids, helping you process your food better and absorb the nutrients. You'll begin to notice these benefits around 2 days after starting your raisin water regimen. Remember to follow this regimen for 4 days, at least. You can use this treatment once a month, and it has no side effects.